How does incognito mode work?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to discuss a topic that you've probably heard of but might not fully understand: incognito mode. This is a feature that most web browsers offer and is often thought of as a way to browse the internet anonymously. But how does it really work? Let's dive in.
What is incognito mode?
Incognito mode, also known as private browsing or privacy mode, is a setting available in most web browsers. When enabled, it prevents the browser from storing information about the web pages you've visited, the data you've entered in forms, and your search queries. However, it's essential to understand that incognito mode does not make you invisible on the internet. It doesn't hide your IP address, which can be used to track your location, nor does it prevent websites, your internet service provider, or your employer, if you're using a work network, from seeing what you're doing online.
How does incognito mode work?
When you browse the internet normally, your browser collects and stores a lot of data. This can include your browsing history, cookies, which can save login information or other preferences, cached files, and search history. When you switch to incognito mode, your browser creates a temporary session that is isolated from the main browser profile. This means that none of the information mentioned earlier gets stored once you close the incognito window. Each session is independent and doesn't carry over any cookies or cached files from previous sessions. However, any bookmarks you create or files you download while in incognito mode will remain, even after you close the session.
When to use incognito mode?
Incognito mode is useful in several scenarios. For example, when you're using a public computer and don't want to leave traces of your activity, or if you want to log into multiple accounts on the same website simultaneously. Another common use is to view websites without cookies influencing what you see. For example, when shopping for flights or hotels, where cookies could potentially be used to show you higher prices if the site recognizes that you're revisiting. In conclusion, while incognito mode does offer some privacy benefits by not storing your browsing data, it is not a tool for complete online anonymity. Remember, it doesn't hide your IP address or prevent websites from tracking your activity. Now that you understand how incognito mode works, you can use it more effectively and maintain realistic expectations of its privacy level. I hope you found this video helpful, and remember to always stay informed about your digital footprint. Thank you for watching.